In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Udemy Transcript with browser tools on desktop. If you learn best by reading along or you're studying a course in a language that isn't your own, translating subtitles right inside your browser can make a huge difference. We'll use simple browser extensions that overlay translations on Udemy's subtitles and, in many cases, in the transcript panel as well. The idea is straightforward. Let Udemy provide the original captions and have the extension render a translation on top in real time. First, install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. There are several solid options to choose from. Udemy Subtitle. Translator focuses on subtitles, supports over 80 languages, and can even show bilingual text in the transcript sidebar or export subtitles when available. Udemy Subtitles. Translate. Dual subtitles supports more than 145 languages and is great if you want to see the original and translated lines at the same time. Udemy Translate and Speech adds an extra layer by generating translated audio alongside the subtitles, which can be helpful if listening reinforces your learning. Pick the one that matches your needs. The course setup is the same across them. Next, open the Udemy course you want to watch and turn on subtitles using the CC button in the video player. Not every course has captions, so if the CC option isn't there, the extension won't have text to translate. When captions are available, choose the original subtitle track for the most accurate translation. Now click the extension icon in your browser and select the language you want. You'll see a list of supported languages, and some tools let you toggle bilingual display so you can view the original line above the translation. Others include options for exporting the subtitle text or enabling synthesized speech in the translated language. These features vary, but the language selection step is the key. Play the video, and you should immediately see the subtitles in your chosen language. Depending on the extension, the transcript panel on the right may also display translated or dual language text, letting you follow along and jump to sections more easily. Because the translation is automatic, you might notice occasional inaccuracies with names or technical terms, but the overall meaning should be clear and helpful for comprehension. These tools work locally in your browser and don't change the course itself. They simply interpret the captions you're already allowed to view. That's all there is to it. Install the extension, enable Udemy subtitles, choose your language in the extension, and press play to read the translated captions and often the transcript right on your desktop.